Sauce Gang family. If you're new and you want to join the Sauce Gang family, all you have to do is subscribe and wear orange every sauce day. And so we're going to be doing this makeup look here. I already did my face and stuff. I just revamped my eyeshadow and then I distressed some pants. So yeah, I distressed some pants, DIY my jeans. And yeah, if you guys want to see my video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my video. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my video. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my video. Bye. Starting a new Instagram like that I'm like actively on is very beneficial and I appreciate it. I was on Instagram earlier and I saw like you know, like people I went to high school with under the suggested people or like people you may know type. And you know, I saw a lot of people I went to high school to see like the people that you used to see every day, like that you don't see anymore. So it's pretty cool to see that. And now I'm gonna go in with like a dark brown. I'm using the same brush, so closer to my lid I'm gonna add that color, but be careful if you do have lashes like I do. Yesterday I had a photo shoot that I didn't go to the photo shoot because like right here I have like a zit coming on my face, but like today it went down. So I mean, I can still see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's literally like right there, like right there. And oh my god, like when I don't like being on camera when I have like anything wrong with me. I don't really like being anywhere when there's something that is wrong with me where I don't feel confident. So I definitely didn't want to go take pictures yesterday. And I just feel like I shouldn't let things like that stop me from, you know, doing what I want to do, you know. Like I wanted to take the picture, but I was like, I'm gonna have this on my face. I'm not really gonna want to look at the camera, you know. But it's like, you know, he could edit that out, but it's still like, I don't know, I probably wouldn't have felt comfortable in front of a camera, in front of someone else's camera, because I think I vlogged yesterday, but and I did wear makeup. It's like you could barely see it, but like I just didn't feel comfortable to do the shoot yesterday, so I just ended up chilling. I did some hair and hopefully it turns out like a red, like a nice burgundy red. And then over that I put like a chocolate dye on top, the one that I used for my blonde hair. I put that on top of the red closer to like the root, but I did like drag it down. But I mean, I don't know, honestly, like we're just gonna have to see what it comes out looking like because I'm not sure. My eyes are basically done. Like, am I the only one that ever feels like, oh my god, I just need to change my makeup? Like I'm not feeling these vibes anymore. I need something else, because you know, life is just too short to be having the eyeshadow that you don't really want or the eyeshadow that you don't really like. So you might as well just get what you like, right? Then I think I should smoke out the bottom. Honestly, I probably shouldn't smoke out the bottom because after I smoke out the bottom like of my eye, the next day like I'll put makeup on top of it tomorrow, but it'll still have like, you know, like that black like hue, and I feel like that will give me dark circles, but I'm still gonna do it anyway. So my goals, I do have a goal to open up a cafe in the next year. So either this year or next year. I want to open up a cafe and I want to design my own tea. Like I want to find like a nice blend of maybe like 7 different teas that I could sell in my cafe. And as of now, I have a nice location as to like where it could be. But like the other day I drove by the location and I saw like people in there. Like I've never seen people in this location, but I saw like the lights on and I saw people in there, so maybe someone's taking my location. But besides that, like I want to have like a cafe and I want to sell breakfast food, like hearty breakfast foods, and teas, like a cafe, like a, I would say coffee, but I don't know if I want to have coffee because I don't want like my cafe to smell like coffee, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, coffee should be there. Like, do you drink coffee? I feel like everybody drinks coffee. But like, you know, like how like you walk into like a coffee shop and it smells like coffee. Like I don't want it to smell like coffee. Like I want it to have, you know, its own scent as a cafe. Like I want it to smell like when you come into my cafe, I want it to smell like my cafe. I don't want it to smell like a coffee shop. You know what I'm saying? Because if I did, I would just open up a coffee shop. But I want to see if I could just make my own teas. So far, I have no luck. Like I've been watching videos and stuff like that, but in terms of like actually meeting someone that does it, that I could just like come together with, like I have no luck. Absolutely no luck. So that's just where I'm at with my cafe. This looks good. This is starting to look really good. And then I'm just gonna go in with the same brush with black and put it closer to my lash band, because I had like sparkly shadow underneath it before. So I just want it to be as dark as possible around my lash line so that, you know, you don't see any of that gold sparkle that I had before. I'm just gonna blend that out on the sides. And I'm gonna go get my highlight. Way back. Okay, so I just changed my shirt and I got a pair of black jeans that I'm gonna distress right here on camera. They're just like regular, are these Levi's? Yeah, they're just regular Levi's. And yeah, I don't really know how I'm gonna distress them, but I just know that I want to distress them. So yeah, this definitely isn't a tutorial. I pretty much start work in a week, and I am hoping I'm not big as fuck. Like my uniform has to be slick, and I haven't been like dieting or anything. You know, just living my best life. When I get my uniform and stuff, I'll do like a get ready with me so y'all could like understand what I'm saying. But like I don't think that I'm getting like fat or anything, but I guess I could start dieting since I do start in about a week. The direction for these pants is, I'm not even sure what the direction is. I'm just pretty much doing what I want because they're my freaking jeans, you know what I'm saying? So I'll show y'all what they look like on when I'm done. I don't even have freaking time to wash and dry them so that they can be distressed. So basically, I'm just like making like little holes in it and then just like praying that they look good. Pretty much. I just broke my blade and I can't find it. I really still have no idea where my blade is from I use the eyebrow razor to like fray it a little bit. And it popped off and I don't know where it is. So I'm definitely gonna have to vacuum when I get back because I don't wear shoes in the house and I cannot cut my feet, you know what I'm saying? So this is my finished look. I did show the pants kinda. I mean, I hope it was a good shot. I don't really know how else I can film my pants, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to go, and it was great spending time with you guys. Like, if you guys are new, my name is Claire. Nice to meet you. And yeah, hopefully you guys like my makeup, like, and my hair, like, it's cute, you know, so, but yeah. If you're new and you want to join the Sauce Gang family, all you have to do is subscribe and wear orange every sauce day. So yeah, I might vlog our date. I'm not sure, but thank you guys for getting ready with me. I have to go. Bye.